A marshmallow from the underworld. How tasty, how delectable. Silence, child!
And it is literally up with Tony. He's got stomach cramps.
Welcome back to Daytona. Rick Crawford just taking an unbelievable ride.
We're inside a huge simulation chamber on an alien spaceship. Oh, come on, Rick. What are you talking about? It's all fake, Morty. All of it. A bunch of crazy, fake nonsense, Morty.
Got a side-by-side battle for the lead. Whoa! Problems early on. Chad Cheffin gets spun around and upside down. Andy Houston and Rick Crawford getting into it, coming out of turn number 2. And now the safety crews will immediately get out and try to take care of the 14 of Rick Crawford.
Run, Morty.
Well, what could this possibly be? Because it looks like you're inside a simulation. Inside a simulation.
Wubba-lubba-dub-dub! I'm Tiny Rick!
Whether the team could switch points.
Whoa, guys, whoa. It's hard to stay underneath a guy. You just got to have that. You need that room to slide up.
Again, we want to stress Stacy Compton was trying to get to the high side of the racetrack.
We understand that Stacy Compton had contact with the 8 car of Dale Earnhardt Jr. and
Straight out of Compton is a crazy brother named Ice Cube.
Bam! Rejected! Rejected! Boom! Rejected!
Guess what? I got a fever. And the only prescription is more cowbell.
That's just a stupid boulder!
It's not just a boulder! It's a rock! A rock! A rock!
Ahorro en grande, surtido en grande. Venga a la ventaja Jumbo.
At 65. Keep it under 4,500 in seconds. You keep doing stuff like that and we're going to lose our sponsor.
Hey, Patrick, what am I now?
Stupid?
No, I'm Texas.
What's the difference?
Good one, Patrick.
How would you like to see this happening in front of you? Well, in the 2002 Aaron's 499 at Talladega, I found myself coming off of turn 2, the big one.
The sound you hear is me lowering my expectations. Showboat.
I did not see that one coming.